Hey y'all, so in today's video we're going to be doing a closure replacement. I have these clippers that I purchased off Amazon. This is a 6x13 lace closure wig that I made. I messed up the closure. It is definitely over processed and also very bald. You can't really tell. I did a color job on it and it kind of ruined it. It did not give me the color that I was looking for. So we're just going to take another approach, and that is why we dyed the hair red. So right here, I'm just going in with the clippers, shaving off the hair on the piece that is currently on the wig. And then I'm going to take a new closure that's the same size, a 5x5 closure, and it is going to be put in the place of where this one is. So all you're going to do is basically take the lace, your new lace piece, place it on top of this, sew it down, and then I'm going to take my sewing machine and reinforce the stitching that has been made, and then the wig is going to basically be like new. So I'm going to be putting the red lace closure that I have dyed, and then I'm going to dip the rest of the hair. So I'm just going in with the clippers, getting all of the hair off. This is the finished result. It's all bald. Now with the lace piece, you're just going to take it, put it on the top, sew it around like I said on the perimeter, and then voila, you're done. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something. Like, comment, and subscribe.